Have you just started using Blackbaud Razor's Edge NXT and feel overwhelmed by all of the features? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this beginner-friendly tutorial, we will walk you through the essentials of Razor's Edge NXT so you can confidently manage donors, track fundraising activities, and navigate the systems like a pro. Now, if you are interested in nonprofit technology, fundraising tools, CRM tutorials, and productivity tips, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss a new video. Let's begin. Blackbaud Razor's Edge NXT is a cloud-based fundraising and donor management platform designed primarily for nonprofit organizations, educational institutions, healthcare organizations, and other mission-driven groups. So they help organizations manage donor and constituent information, track donations and fundraising campaigns, build stronger relationships with supporters, generate reports and fundraising insights, and streamline fundraising options. Now, when you visit the Blackbaud's Razor Edge NXT website, you will notice a sign-in button at the top of the page. If you already have an account here, simply click the sign in and enter your credentials to access the platform. But if you don't have an account yet, this is a perfect opportunity for you to sign up. You can use any of the following registration options. You can use your Google, Apple, your email, Microsoft, and Facebook, and follow the on-screen instructions. But it's important to know that creating an account does not automatically give you access to Razor Edge NXT. After signing up, you might need to contact the Blackbaud sales teams or request a product demo. This is because Blackbaud works with organizations to create a subscription plan that's tailored to your specific needs, including your organization size, your fundraising goals, your required features, and of course your budget. Once the sales team has worked with you to determine the best subscription plan, they will help set up your organization's access to the platform. All right? But if you don't want to talk with the sales team for now, or you don't want to request a demo, but you still wanted to learn more about the Blackbaud's Edge NXT, it's okay. What we can do instead is go again to the products and go to the Razor's Edge NXT, and we can still learn more about the platform. Now, the Blackbaud Razor's Edge NXT represent the platform's main value areas for fundraising organizations. Number one is going to be knowing your donors. This focuses on helping you better understand the people and organizations that supports your mission. You have a comprehensive donor profiles with giving history, contact information, and communication preferences with philanthropic capacity insights if available, relationship tracking with board members, volunteers, staff connections, and of course, donor interests and engagement history. So the goal here is to build a complete picture of each donor so you can personalize your outreach and strengthen relationships. So you can quickly see that a donor has, for example, donated annually for the next 10 years, attended 3 fundraising events, prefers email over phone calls, and is connected to one of your board members. This information helps you tailor future conversations and fundraising asks. Next is going to be the Raise More. It is designed to help fundraisers increase donations and fundraising success. So it includes opportunity management like tracking major gift prospects, fundraising pipelines, donation trends or prospect identification, gift recommendations and prioritization, campaign performance, and the goal here is to help fundraisers identify the right prospects, make timely asks, and close more gifts. For example, the system may highlight donors who recently increased their giving, have the capacity to make a larger gift, or maybe haven't donated this year, or are ready for a major gift conversation. Next is going to be the deepen engagement. This helps organizations strengthen ongoing relationships beyond asking for donations. So this helps you track event participation, volunteer involvement, email engagement, membership activity, stewardship tasks, or personalized follow-ups plus interaction history. The goal here is to keep supporters actively involved with your organization over time. For example, after someone attends a gala, you can open your newsletters or maybe volunteers at an event and makes a donation. The platforms helps ensure they receive appropriate thank you messages, invitations, and future engagement opportunities. Not only that, you also have the lead confidently. This is geared towards executives, development directors, and fundraising managers who need visibility into organizational performance. So it includes dashboards, key performance indicators or KPIs, fundraising reports, team performance metrics, revenue forecasting, campaign analytics, executive summaries. The goal here is to enable leadership to make informed decisions using the real-time fundraising data. Now, for example, a development director can quickly answer questions like maybe are we on track to meet our annual goal, or how many donors have retained this year? All right? Now, one thing that I really like here in Blackbaud's Razor Edge NXT is a free guide provided by the platform itself to help nonprofit organizations determine their fundraising software that needs before choosing a CRM solution. So if you click the download the free guide, this is designed to help organizations identify the features, functionality, and priorities that matter most when selecting a fundraising platform. So whether you're looking to improve donor management, streamlining efforts, or supporting your organization's long-term goals, this resource can help you make a more informed decision. Now, let me tell you this. One of its standout features is the built-in trusted artificial intelligence, providing data-driven insights to help organizations make smarter fundraising decisions. Now, you will see that with the Razor's Edge NXT, it delivers an AI-driven insights powered by one of the most comprehensive fundraising datasets, and these insights help identify giving trends, prioritize the donor outreach, and uncover new fundraising opportunities. Another key advantage is that everything is managed within one unified system. Instead of using multiple tools, organizations can manage donor information, fundraising activities, communications, and supporter relationships all from a single platform. By combining donor management, fundraising tools, and AI-powered intelligence, Blackbaud Razor's Edge NXT helps nonprofits work more efficiently, building stronger donor relationships, and ultimately raise more funds to support their mission. And that brings us to the end of this beginner's guide on how to use Blackbaud Razor's Edge NXT. I hope this tutorial helped you understand the basics and gave you the confidence to start using the platform more effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.